So welcome back guys. So now we are heading towards the pavilion area, dressing room, and wherein our entire team is witnessing this match, and we'll have a interview of all our team members. So this match is going very nicely. So we have shown you the first dressing room. This is the second dressing room. See the beautiful facility here. It's really nice, nicely maintained, and there is a very beautiful swimming pool right behind this dressing room for the players to relax. Just see this, guys. Very nice sit out area with a proper sunshade, and then these are the accommodation for the players, so wherein they come to play the Ranji matches or the local tournaments. In this building they'll be staying. And just see this beautiful swimming pool. I think Kranti, we can give a try to this tomorrow. So underneath the water they have placed the KSCA logo also, even the tiles are marked like that. And I feel it's like a 4.5 feet deep pool, so best enough for the players to remove their stress, become stress free, and be ready for the matches. So then we'll move to the dining hall. Just see how beautifully all the facilities, small detailings they have maintained and ensure that the players get a wonderful feel whenever they are here. And now we are moving to the lawn areas, wherein the practice sessions will be conducted before the matches. See this, how nicely, how beautifully it's maintained. Lush green all round. So हम जो टीवी में देखते हैं कि जब प्लेयर्स प्रैक्टिस करते हैं मैच के पहले, तो वो यहीं पर होता है, जो लोकल ट्रॉफीज में भी हुई थी ये. Kranti, isn't it an awesome feeling?
Yes, sir, really, sir.
Yeah.
We could not get another chance to be here.
Definitely we'll get a bigger chance.
Yeah.
So we have another, for me it is 15 more years.
For me, a very long stretch.
For you it's a very long stretch, and definitely guys, watch out Mr. Kranti. Maybe after a couple of years he will be in the best position.
Hope so.
Yesterday he has played a match winning knock that you will be witnessing on our YouTube channel. I'll be uploading it soon. And then we'll come to the dining area. It's one side is locked, other side is locked. Okay, we'll move from the other end because it's not the time for dining, so it's been kept locked. And here is some storeroom.
So we have entered from another area.
Yeah. So these are the toilets, maintained very nicely. And again we'll back to the dressing room area, and then this is the sit out area from where we have entered. And now we are moving towards the dining hall. We'll show you it from the inside, the internal view. See how nicely it's been planned. It's been very efficiently planned. I can say it's like a green building concept where the natural illumination is coming to the entire part of the building. And here is the dining hall, and these are the champions who are helping other champions with the proper food, tea, coffee on time. The catering boys, catering champions we can say. And this is a lovely spacious dining hall. So Kranti is enjoying every bit of it. And now we are moving towards the NRSC team. He's sitting in the balcony area to witness this qualifier. And now here are the players. So guys, we are recording you guys in special moments. This is Rajesh, Leslie sir, Ananta sir is here. Ananta sir, कुछ बोलना चाहोगे आप?
Yeah, chilling out.
How are you feeling, sir?
Wonderful victories yesterday.
Yes. So we are celebrating. This is the part of the celebration.
Yes.
So many more to come. कन्हैया जी,
हाँ सर,
दीपक जी, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? लेस्ली सर,
बहुत कुछ कह चुके हैं दीपक।
लेस्ली सर कहते कम है, करते ज़्यादा है।
से पार्सल लेके आ गया वो।
सर दिस विल बी गोइंग टू यूट्यूब।
डब्बा में पता नहीं क्या कैश है, डॉलर है।
नंदू सर कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे आप? और ये है राकेश भाई, अभी भी बिजी है।
अब कुछ बिजी नहीं है, हम
कभी बिजी नहीं है। So Kranti was there with me. Then coming to the owner of this GoPro. Yeah. Huh?
Aeroplane.
Oh, see this. What a beautiful sight. We're capturing the clear skies, and we can capture the aeroplane also, orange color aeroplane, and see the ground. Awesome. So now I'm handing over this GoPro to the owner, Mr. Hari sir.
Not honor, but
Thank you very much for this opportunity.
yeah, you're most
Capturing the
welcome.
entire
Whenever you want to
KSA
create content,
facilities. So anything you want to say, sir?
just enjoying the ground here, enjoying the weather, enjoying the match.
Yeah.
Best
I think
place
this
to
is
be.
the best place to witness the
Yes.
wonderful match.
100%.
So guys, come back. See you. Bye bye. Be in touch. Take a leave.